Guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a vintage holiday Christmas photo shoot type makeup look. I just have a bunch of reference pictures for like old school vintage makeup looks, and I'm so obsessed with them. So I was like, let's do a makeup look kind of inspired by these looks. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now we're just gonna move on to eyeshadow. So I think I'm gonna do one that's mainly inspired by like this look right here with like the red and the green and the yellow on the inner corner for like the star. So first we're gonna prime our eyes with the LA Colors Conceal It Cover and Correct concealer. I've never used this concealer before, so we'll see how it works. My sister gave it to me. Now we're going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder on this big Juvia's Place fluffy brush and just set the eyeshadow with that. Set the concealer with that. First we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Instinct palette, and we're going to take Last Red on the red row on a Morphe E36 brush, and we're basically just going to place it a little bit higher than the crease. Gonna clean off the brush and basically just do little back and forth motions to blend out that eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this small Juvia's Place blending brush and just go over the edges of that eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics small flat brush. I'm gonna take the third green from that palette and put that on the lid under where we put that red. We're going to take the Morphe M433 brush and just blend out the inner corner of the eye. Blend out the top a little bit more. It's okay if it's close to the eyebrow because a lot of these vintage looks are really up high to the eyebrow. Now we're going to take this Real Techniques, I can't read that, shading brush, and we're gonna take the yellow from that palette and put it in our inner corner. And now we're gonna do a black wing eyeliner. I think that's pretty good for now. So now we're gonna go off camera, do our other eye, and then we'll come back to do foundation and all that good stuff. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera. Now we're gonna move on to face. So first things first, I sprayed my face with this Paradise Set Hydrating Mist. It's a setting spray, but you can still like use it for like priming and all that good stuff. My face was really dry, so I needed it. I might spray a little bit more actually. For foundation, we're gonna use the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation in the shade Warm Beige. A little light. That's okay. We'll fix it with bronzing and all that good stuff. For cream bronzing, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Cream Concealer in the shade C13.2. And now for liquid blush, we're going to use my all-time favorite, which is the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy. Also just going to blend that under our eye. Okay, and now for concealer, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade 10. And now for setting our under eyes, we're going to take a powder puff and we're going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Press Powder. We're just going to press that under our eyes. I love this powder for under the eyes. And now for powder bronzing, we're going to take the Maybelline Super Safe Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Java. If I can get it open. And for powder blush, we're going to take the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. And we're going to take Tao and Lena. And I put on a lash when I went off camera. The lash that I'm using is the LA Colors Dramatic Lash in the style Dangerous. Now we're going to do our under eye. This small blending brush from Juvia's Place. We're going to take the red. I'm going to pop that under our eye. Now for lips, I don't know what I want to do for lips. What does she have on her lips? Oh, she just has on gloss. Okay, so we're gonna basically just do gloss. We're gonna wipe off the foundation and all that good stuff from my lips, and then we're gonna put on gloss. And then yeah, I guess I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished vintage holiday inspired makeup look. I love it so much. I really like the pop of color on the eyes, and I really like these Christmas ball earrings. I just basically got some Christmas balls and like put them in my ears. And yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be linked down below for your convenience. And yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers by the end of the year, and we're slowly like creeping up there. So if you guys are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I have some good holiday videos coming for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.